Tanong sa akin, Bonnie, bakit naman palagi mong sinasali ang Diyos doon sa usapan? Tungkol sa pera itong usapan. Ang sagot ko dyan is, hindi ba sa paggawa ng pera o pag-create ng wealth, lagi ang ginagamit mo yung ability mo? Unless tumataya ka lang susagal, hindi ba ginagamit mo yung ability mo? May mga tao na sasabihin nila, ability ko naman yun. Pero totoo niyan, wala namang makakatindig sa harapan ng Diyos at magsasabi na yung ability ko galing sa akin. Unless He created Himself. Well, we are created in the image and likeness of God. Bakit niya ginawang ganon? We were given the ability to be imaginative. We were given the ability to plan and execute. Galing sa Diyos yun. Yun ang ginagamit natin para tayo magnegosyo, para tayo mag-create ng wealth. Kung wala yung abilidad na yun, walang mangyayari sa atin. So, unang-una natin dapat i-acknowledge is God who gave us the ability. Pangalawa nating i-acknowledge is dapat malaman natin anong purpose niya. Kung bakit niya binigyan tayo ng ability to do business, ability to create wealth. Anong purpose niya? Yun ang ating tanungin. Ang sabi ng Bible, we were created in the image and likeness of God. Pangalawa, we were given the ability to create wealth for His purpose. Purpose is that we may be blessed and we may be a channel of His blessing.